Okay, so start off with a Charlotte Dynasty sample, obviously.
Oh, this is for my bonus, sexy ass from my heart.
Then I sort of did this and this and this until it sounds nothing like it was. By the way, I spent like way too long on that. Add a couple kicks. Pretty interesting pattern we've got with these ones. Add this snare, but pitch it down a little bit. I use this shaker thing instead of hi-hats because I hate myself and I spent way too long trying to make it work. This open hat is like the only thing that I haven't heard that much in X's beats, and for good reason too, it sucks. Switch up the melody and add some bass because I don't know how to mix low end. Do this. And here's what it should sound like.